Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to this Becoming an Animal meditation, where you'll learn to embody your favorite animal or an animal of your choice. Start off by getting comfortable and relaxing into a position that feels good to you, preferably sitting upright in a chair with good back support, and closing your eyes. With your eyes closed, allow the little muscles around your eyes to soften and relax. Allow your eyelids to soften and relax. And allow your breath to become deeper and slower as you breathe it down into the belly and up and out through the mouth. Take 2 more slow, deep breaths, as slow and as deep as you can, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And pay attention to getting in touch with the sensations in your body as you breathe. And now choose the animal that you wish to get in touch with, that you wish to embody today. Maybe you have one in mind, or maybe one comes to you and you can choose to be receptive to the one that arises within your consciousness spontaneously now. Whatever you choose, as long as it feels good to you, commit to it now. Start to pay attention to your tongue and relax the tongue to the floor of the mouth. Allow your jaw to relax and your neck and shoulders to soften and drop. Allow your arms and hands to release any tension or holding that they're doing. Let the back muscles soften into the support. And allow the chest and stomach to open and soften. Let the pelvic floor drop and release. And allow the legs and feet to unclench and relax. Feel the body more open and spacious as the breath permeates and flows through in an open, effortless way. And now be aware of the animal that you've chosen. Be curious about why this animal has chosen you. Observe a vision of this animal in your mind's eye. And notice, how is this animal different from how you operate in the world? What qualities or energies does it possess that you are not currently embodying? Ask yourself and observe without judgment. And start off by consciously accepting the part of yourself that does not yet embody these qualities. Consciously accept yourself and all parts of yourself as you are. Breathing in this energy of conscious acceptance. And now imagine yourself in your mind, if it feels good, if it feels safe, breathing in and moving towards merging with this vision of this animal. Start to sense and feel its energy. Start to feel that energy as you breathe it into every cell of your energy field. See and feel how this animal moves. How does it move through physical space? And see and feel yourself moving like that. Imagine and feel what that would be like to move through the world the way this animal moves. See and feel the way it responds to challenges and adversity. And see yourself responding in the same way, as long as it feels productive and positive. Start to see and feel the way this animal processes its emotions and its experiences, and see and feel yourself doing the same as you see yourself moving through life. Ask yourself now, what is this animal's single most special quality? What is the thing that you are most drawn to or admire about this creature? And see and feel what it would be like to fully integrate that within yourself. Whether it seems possible or not, just imagine as if it were, to be and feel this quality, completely tapped in to this animal's spirit, as you see and feel yourself moving through the world with this quality. See and feel yourself with a sense of simplicity, being in touch with the moment, your emotions, connected to the natural world and others around you. See and feel the easeful, effortless simplicity with which this animal lives, carrying smoothly into your life and the way you operate. And if it feels good, give yourself permission to be more like this animal today, to carry some of that spirit with you consciously, to enjoy that and have fun with that, seeing and feeling that for one final moment. Breathe that animal's energy deeply into every cell of your body now, so you feel it integrate thoroughly on every level in a way that feels good and expansive to you. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, move at your pace, and if it feels good to you, allow this rhythm to carry naturally back into your day, to consciously embody the rhythm and energy of your animal and be curious about how that influences your day. Feel free to come back and try this again with a different animal, and if you want to share your animal, your experience, what you noticed, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for taking this time for yourself, and have an amazing day.